It's David Raz, and in this video we're going to be installing Omnisphere on our computer. The first thing that you're going to want to do is go to spectronics.net and create an account, as well as buy your own version of Omnisphere. We're now going to download Omnisphere, so go to wherever you have the install link. Here I'm going to do it from reinstall and click on download. Once you have done that, you're going to have three files: the installation, DMG file, and also the Steam folder. Go inside of this installation. If you're using Windows, follow the Windows instructions. So it looks like first thing we need to do is run the .pkg file. We're now going to follow these instructions just like how we would for any other program. So just hit continue, but be sure to know where you're going to be installing this. So because I have an external SSD, I'm going to be putting this on my Extreme SSD, but just keep note of where you're installing all your stuff. Now this installation part is going to take some time, so just leave your computer be for about 20 to 30 minutes. Might be quicker depending on how fast your computer is, but we'll return once this is complete. Alright, we have finished the installation. Now we're going to go to FL Studio and enable this inside of the VST plugin manager. We can just open up an empty project, go to our channel rack, hit this plus icon, and go to more plugins. Now it's going to say select generator plugin, go to manage plugins at the bottom, and then click on this find installed plugins button. This is going to scan through your system depending on what search paths you have, and then it's going to show up Omnisphere right here. Now we need to enable Omnisphere, so click on this star button and make sure you select VST3. But if you don't have VST3, you can use VST. Now go right here, click on Omnisphere at the top. And now it's going to ask for authorization. So we now need to go to their website and paste in a code. Here it's just going to ask you some basic information about your computer. So just fill this in, and then at the bottom click the blue button. Once you have submitted the code, you're going to get this challenge response back. Click the copy button, and you want to paste this back into Omnisphere. So go to FL Studio and paste this code back in here. We now need to restart Omnisphere, so what you can do is delete it from the channel rack and create a new instance of it. If you see Omnisphere like this means that you have successfully installed it. But one thing we're going to do is install the update. So to do that, all you have to do is just click the update button. Now next time you boot up Omnisphere, click on the get updates button and you'll be brought to this page. You want to download this and click on the zip file. It's just going to be same thing, just the same installer that we had last time. Now next time you boot up Omnisphere, you're going to see this "you are up to date" at the bottom right here. If you see that, that means everything's good. If you enjoyed this type of content, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe.